So good morning, Lana. Welcome to our today's lesson. Today is on a Friday, and we continue to learn decimal places or decimal numbers. And in our today's lesson, we are going to multiply decimals by a decimal and see what exactly you need to do. So multiplying decimal by a decimal is not something difficult. You're going to realize that it's something very, very easy. Like for example, you can be told, work out examples. A, work out. You work out 0.09. We multiply by 0.8. So what are we required to do, Lana, if we are given such a question? There are also two methods that I said. So in this case, you have to change both of them into fractions. That is method number one. Method one, change both into a decimal. So this is going to be 0.09 is going to be 9 over, count the number of decimal places here, 1, 2, so 100, times, this is going to be 3.8, so 8 over 1, so 10. And 9 times 8 is 72 over 100 times 10. You just take that 100 and add the next 0 there. So it's going to be 72 over 1000. But again, we are not going to leave it as a fraction because we are talking about decimals. So after getting that now, you divide. So 72 over 1000. Excuse me. Now I don't expect you to do long division here. It's not important in class 6 that you do long division. When you have zeros, I've told you what to do with zeros. Decimal point is there because this is our number 72. So it's going to move backwards how many times? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Come there. After it is there, you add a 0. So in a curve, you find there's no digit, add a 0 there. So this is going to be 0.072. So your answer is going to be 0.7072. Method number 2, Lana. Method 2. You have 0.09 times 0.8. You know what I say? Multiply the numbers. 9 times 8 is 72. But in this case, it's 9 times 8, whereby the 9 has how many decimal points? 1, 2. So 2 decimal places. And then the 8 has how many? 1 decimal place. Add them together. 2 plus 1, you get 3 decimal places. So in this, it gives you 72. Now you write your 72 there. You know that for you to include decimal places in our number, you must go from where the decimal point backwards the number of decimal places we have here. How many times, Lana? 3 times. So you're going to go from here 1, 2, 3. The decimal point is there, add a 0 there. So your answer is going to be 0.072. If you look at that answer and look at this answer, Lana, it's the same thing but done in 2 different ways. So we can easily do it in that way. So we can have our next example. Now next example 2 going to be 0.04. That is B, 0.04. That is to be multiplied by 0.8. And now this is going to be 4 over 1, 2, 100 times 8 over 1, 10. Let's try to multiply. 4 times 8 will give you that 2 over 100 times 10 is 1000. Just add the zeros there like that. So from there we know we are dividing. The sum point of our number is there. We are going to move backwards how many times? 1, 2, 3. Equal to the number of zeros. So from there 1, 2, 3. The sum point is going to be there. This is a curve without digits. Add a 0 there. So your answer is going to be 0.032. 0.032. The other method, 0.04 times 0.08. Sorry, 0.8. Here we're going to say 8 times 4. The reason why I'm writing them vertically, so that you can include the number of decimal places. In 0.04, in 0.8 which I started with, has only one decimal place. So I indicate here one decimal place. And then in 0.04, which is the 4 I've taken here, there's 1, 2. So 2 decimal places. So you add them. 1 plus 2, you get 3 decimal places. So in your answer, you are going to include 3 decimal places. 8 times 4 is 32. So you write here as 2, and you know how do you include decimal places, Lana? From the right hand side to the left hand side. So from here, how many times? 3. So 1, 2, 3. Add a 0 where we don't have a number and put a 0 there. So it's going to be 0.032. You look at this number and you look at this answer, it is going to be the same thing. So this is very easy. To multiply a decimal by a decimal is very easy. You can do it in 2 ways. I want to give you another question where you're given, find the product of 18.7, find the product of find the product of 18.7 times 3.6. 18.7 times 3.6. It's very easy, Lana. So what are we going to do, Lana? In this case, we realize that we make this, and this all numbers, 187 over 10 times 36 over 10. Now we multiply 187 times 36. So 187 times 36. 42 carry 4. 48 plus 4, 52 carry 5, 11. 0. 1 carry 2, 24 plus 2, 26 carry 2 is going to be 5. 2, 3, 7, 6. So the answer is 6, 7, 3, 2 over 10 times 10 is 100. So from there, we are going to include it because we don't leave the answer as a fraction. Whenever you're talking about decimals, we don't leave the answer as a fraction. We must leave our answer in terms of decimals. So the decimal point is there. We are dividing with zeros. 1, 2. So 1 and 2. So the answer is going to be 67.32. 67.32. If you try to use the other way, Lana, you are going to realize that it's going to be the same thing. Whereby, in this case, you take 18.7, you multiply that with 3.6. So in this case, it's 187. How many decimal places are 1 decimal place times 36. How many decimal places? Also 1 decimal place. Add them to 1 plus 1 is 2 decimal places. And now multiply it. It's going to be 2 and 4. 52, 35, 11, 0, 21, 2, 6, 2, 5, 2, 3, 7, 6. Then, after getting that done, the answer is 6, 7, 3, 2. But we have how many decimal places? 2 from here. 1 and 2. So your answer is 67.32. Get your answer. So very, very simple and very easy to be able to be calculated. So I will give you, Lana, some work. Because of course it's on a Friday. You have Friday, Saturday, Sunday to do that work. A lot of work. So I will give you exercise 57 and 58. So that you have something to do during the weekend. So I want you to do this work, Lana. Practice exercise 57. Exercise 57. It asks question from number 1 to 4. 1 to 4. Then exercise 58. It asks question from number 1 also to 4. 1 to 4. If you can be able to do these questions and do them well, there's no way any single day you can be able to miss a question on multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. So that work is going to be found on page 78 through 80. Page 78 through 80. So do this work and do it nicely. Ensure that you follow every step that we say here in school. That you are going to do the questions as expected using the two methods. Choose any of the method that you want to use. Don't use both of the methods in one question, no. Choose the one that you're comfortable with and calculate using that method. So until next time, learner, I want to wish you a very nice weekend. May you remain very focused. Ensure that you do what we are telling you to do. Ensure that you do a lot of activities regarding what we are doing in class. A very wonderful day. Be blessed. Be very busy. Ensure that you keep safe. You sanitize every other time. And may God continue blessing you back at home. God bless you.